There exists a part of your mind that sees without eyes, hears without ears, and knows without being told. A mind that operates beyond the constraints of time, space, and logic as you understand them. This is not mysticism. This is not pseudoscience. This is the undeniable reality of the subconscious mind. For centuries, it has been dismissed, misunderstood, and even deliberately hidden from public discourse. Yet, those who have mastered it, the visionaries, the world leaders, the unseen architects of power, have harnessed its capabilities to shape industries, move markets, and alter the course of history itself. There's a power inside you that you're not using. What you are about to hear is not theory. It is demonstrable, repeatable, and scientifically examined. Consider Dr. Carl Pribram, a neuroscientist at Stanford University, who proposed the holographic brain theory. He found that the human mind does not store memories like a hard drive, but rather in a holographic manner, meaning that information exists non-locally, accessible from anywhere in the mind's field. This is why savants, such as Daniel Tammet, can recite 22,514 digits of pi from memory or learn an entire new language in a week. They are not recalling in the way you think. They are accessing a field of stored information. Now take it further. What if memory is not stored in the brain at all? What if, as Sir Roger Penrose and Dr. Stuart Hameroff suggest, consciousness exists at the quantum level, meaning that your subconscious mind may not be confined to your body at all? This would explain why clairvoyance, remote viewing, and precognition have been observed, tested, and even used by intelligence agencies. The mind that sees without eyes, what science says. If the subconscious mind can access information beyond physical perception, the implications are life-changing. This means that intuition is not random, it is a skill. It means that accessing knowledge, wisdom, and guidance without traditional learning is possible. What if you could train your mind to make the right decision before knowing the facts, predict market trends or business opportunities ahead of time, understand people's true intentions without them ever saying a word? This is what the greatest minds throughout history have tapped into. It is how some individuals can create, innovate, and dominate industries while others struggle in confusion. You are already experiencing glimpses of this power in your life, whether you recognize it or not. Have you ever had a moment where an idea came to you out of nowhere, one that later proved to be correct? That is your subconscious trying to communicate. The problem? Most people ignore it, doubt it, or let fear override it. The subconscious is constantly sending signals, whether through dreams, intuitive nudges, or sudden realizations. If trained correctly, you can use it to guide your actions, enhance creativity, and develop abilities you never thought possible. What this means for you. How to tap into your hidden potential. In the 1970s, the CIA and Stanford Research Institute conducted classified experiments under a program known as Project Stargate. The objective? To train individuals to access distant locations and gather intelligence without ever physically being there. Subjects such as Ingo Swann consistently described military bases, hidden technology, and classified documents without ever stepping foot inside them. The results were so accurate that the program ran for over 20 years, with files later declassified proving its success. The experiments that prove it, what the CIA doesn't want you to know. If these experiments have proven that the mind can transcend space and time, then our concept of reality itself is incomplete. For those on a spiritual journey, this is confirmation that your consciousness is not limited to the body, meaning that enlightenment, deep awareness, and intuitive wisdom are not mystical ideas, but rather real, trainable abilities. For those focused on practical success, this means that you can learn to detect opportunities, avoid mistakes, and sharpen your decision-making skills beyond what logic alone can provide. The subconscious mind is the link between the seen and the unseen, the logical and the intuitive, the known and the unknown. Those who understand this walk through life with an advantage others do not have. Your subconscious mind is being controlled without you knowing. Think of this: the chair you're sitting on, the device you're holding, the very words you are hearing right now. Each of these first existed in someone's subconscious before becoming reality. The subconscious does not distinguish between real and imagined. In 2013, a Harvard medical study found that mentally rehearsing an activity strengthens the same neural pathways as physically performing it. Elite athletes, from Michael Phelps to Kobe Bryant, used visualization training to master their craft. But this principle applies to far more than sports. The subconscious is the laboratory of genius, the unseen force behind every revolutionary breakthrough. How to unlock the power of your subconscious mind, step by step. You are already using it. The question is whether you are using it with intention or letting others program it for you. Here's how you start. 1. Silence the noise. Your subconscious mind is constantly active, but it is drowned out by the endless distractions of daily life. Meditation, hypnosis, and controlled states of awareness remove the interference blocking subconscious access. 2. Question. Everything. Every belief you hold. Where did it come from? Who placed it there? The subconscious is programmable. If you don't program it yourself, someone else will. 3. Experiment with thought manifestation. Visualization, subconscious reprogramming, and deep introspection are not abstract concepts. They are measurable techniques. Reality is not fixed. It is shaped by the mind. This is just the beginning. If you want to master this, we have other videos on this channel that will help you tap into different aspects of subconscious mastery, and we will be producing even more in-depth content on these advanced techniques. If you want to truly command your subconscious, you will need to learn step by step how to train it, sharpen it, and direct it. Your subconscious is not a passive system, it is a creator. The reality you accept is the reality it constructs. Those who have understood and harnessed this power have shaped the world itself. So, ask yourself, who is programming your mind? And more importantly, who will control it moving forward?